This is a question for the 8th standard CBSE Mathematics on the topic squares and square roots. How many non-perfect square numbers are there between two consecutive perfect square numbers? This is the question. Can you understand this question? Pause this video, and if you would like to give this problem a try, you could just give it a try and then let us go to the solution. Now let us assume that n and n plus 1 are any two consecutive integers. Then the two consecutive perfect square numbers will be n squared and n plus 1 the whole square. Now let us proceed to find the number of numbers between these two perfect square numbers. Take an example of 4 and 9, which are two consecutive perfect square numbers obtained by squaring the consecutive integers 2 and 3. So between 4 and 9, how many numbers are there? We'll have to find out. See, 2 squared is equal to 4 and 3 squared equal to 9. So these are the two consecutive perfect square numbers. There cannot be any other perfect square numbers between 4 and 9. How many numbers are there between 4 and 9? Yes, there are 4 numbers. But when we subtract 4 from 9, we will get 5. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Why did we get 5 there? Actually, we included, by subtracting 4 from 9, we might have included either 4 or 9 as one of the numbers. But we need only the exact number of numbers between the two. So we have to subtract one more from 5 to get the exact number of numbers between these two numbers. That is why we get 4. So in general, we get the number of numbers between n squared and n plus 1 the whole squared as n plus 1 the whole squared minus n squared minus 1. So we expand and simplify this expression. This algebraic expression can be simplified as just n squared plus n plus 1 minus n squared minus 1, n squared plus 2n plus 1 minus n squared minus 1. The n squared and 1 will get cancelled, and we are left with just 2n. So there are 2n non-perfect square numbers between any two consecutive perfect square numbers. Let us verify this. We saw that between 4 and 9 there are 4 non-perfect square numbers. Here n is equal to 2 and n plus 2 is equal to 3. Hence 2n is equal to 4. Now here's a question for you. Can you find how many non-perfect square numbers are there between 144 and 169? You know very well that 144 is equal to 12 squared and 169 is equal to 13 squared. If you're ready with the answer, you could comment in the comment box the correct answer or the answer you got. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.